Hi, welcome to Surprise Doodles. Today we will learn how to create a desktop shortcut for Adobe Photoshop and how to pin the Adobe Photoshop shortcut onto the taskbar. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you would like to watch more such content in the future. Now let's start the class. Please note that I'm working in Windows 10. You may be working on an older version of Windows or you may be working on a Mac, which means that the interface may vary a little. So, in Windows 10, we go here, the search option, this magnifying glass. We left click on it and we type Adobe Photoshop. Here, this is the one. Now, we could just double click on this and start Photoshop right away. But it is always easier to work when it is a desktop icon or on the taskbar. It's much more accessible. So the first thing we are going to do is that we are going to create a desktop shortcut. For this, we right click and here open file location. We click on this and here Adobe Photoshop 2020, this icon. We right click and go to this option here, send to, and desktop create shortcut. We click on that. Now let me just minimize this and it's here, the icon. So we have achieved our first goal, which was to create a desktop shortcut of Adobe Photoshop on our desktop. Now on to our second goal. How do we pin this Adobe Photoshop icon onto the taskbar? Well, it's simple. I'll show you two easy methods to do this. The first one is to right click on this icon here, this shortcut here, and go to pin to taskbar. Left click and it's here. Okay, to unpin it from the taskbar, right click, unpin from taskbar, left click, and it's gone. Now how do we get that back? I'll show you another method. We go back to this search option. We go to Adobe Photoshop. Now we could easily just click on this and say pin to taskbar, or we could go here, right click and pin to taskbar. Click on it and it's here. We can open Adobe Photoshop either from here, here, or within the search option just by typing manually. You can take any option that you're comfortable with and that you find is the easiest and fastest way to open Photoshop. So that's it for today's class. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any topics within Photoshop that you would like a more thorough understanding of, please type it in the comment section below and I will try to make a video on it so that we can all learn together. Thank you. Have a good day and stay safe.